Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure the SIM fits the slot and the router has power. Insert the SIM gently. Incorrect seating prevents network registration. Once done, note the router IMEI and keep your carrier account and activation code at hand. These link the physical SIM to your service. You do this now to avoid back and forth with support. Make sure the device fully boots. A partial boot can block provisioning. If prompted, enter the default admin password to access settings. Next, you log into the router admin panel to tell the device which network to use. Go to the WAN or mobile section, input the APN details exactly as provided by the carrier, and enable mobile data and autoconnect. This lets the router request service automatically. Once configured, enter the SIM PIN when prompted because the SIM will be blocked until unlocked. After saving, restart the modem interface or reboot the router so the new profile is pushed, and finally, verify the activation by watching for signal bars and the carrier name in the status page. You should also see an IP address assigned. Connect a laptop or phone to the router and run a quick speed test to confirm real traffic flows. If it fails, make sure the SIM is seated, the APN string matches exactly, and the IMEI is registered on your carrier account. These are the common blockers. If everything looks right but still no service, contact carrier support and provide IMEI and SIM number.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.